hello, everyone. Oh my gosh, feels like it's my first time to do go live today, but I'm very, very much happy. So, good morning, good afternoon, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning in right now. Hello, hello po sa inyong lahat. And my name is Julianne. And I'm here again in your screen, OMG. And you might see me every day because we have this challenge na 90 days. Um, to be on social media. It's up to you which platform do you prefer to go. But for me, I'm here in Go Live, and you might see me every day. So we're gonna be discussing different topics, and we will gonna be sharing our stories, our opinions, experiences, and the insights regarding on the topic. So yeah, ito po hindi po scripted at saka talagang talagang ano lang talaga, we will just show our faces on social media. And by the way, I have a digital online business. And my website is www.josonkit.com. And I'm a business owner and a mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart and to check the life-changing opportunity that we are sharing to you guys. And yes, today is our, ano nga ba ngayon? Our 69 ba? Yeah, 69 day of six lang yung nakalagay doon. 69th day of our success challenge. And our topic for today is let's talk about the power of two for success and beyond. So for today, hindi lang po ako mag-isa. I will be having a surprise guest and OMG, pinagpapawisan ng pa ako at kamay ko. so, anyways, just a recap for this week's topic kasi napansin ko parang halos lahat is about communication. And kasi nung first day nung Monday, importance of building relationship and what's the important key there? It's communication, right? Open communication. Sa ano namin nung Tuesday, it's about what's the importance of open communication. So open communication na naman. And then sa Wednesday, what is the mentorship and relevance on your business. So another trait or another na importance is ng ng mentorship is open communication din. It's about communication, guys. And what is an effective leader na pinag-usapan namin kahapon? It's about open communication na naman. So, oh my gosh. So the importance of open communication. And today, I just want to I invited somebody, buti na lang nag-agree siya because he's not, hindi siya nagpapakita talaga sa social media. Tapos hirap na hirap ako. Hirap-hirap akong kausapin siya. So, OMG, without further ado, I will get that guest on my stage for today. And yes, time check muna before I'll forget because this will be on my memory lane. Today is 12:09 p.m. in the noontime, and it's September 28th, Saturday, 2024. Oh my gosh, and this is our 69 day. Hindi ko nalagyan ng try kong i-edit yung banner na yon, but because of excitement na naipakita siya, ayan tuloy, nawala yung 9. So, so papakilala ko siya. Ay hindi na pala, kasi surprise I just want you to be surprised on my stage. So I'll add him already on my stage.
Oh,
Hello, hello, hello.
Charal.
O, di ba?
Welcome to my office.
So, so guys, oh my gosh, talagang o di ba talagang the power of two, communication. Okay, let's do it virtually. If you are too shy to be with me, okay. So please welcome my guest speaker for today, my hubby, Kitson. Kitson is a business partner of mine. So I invited him as a guest. You know naman na he's not hindi siya talaga nagpapakita sa social media masyado at saka lahat may ginagawa yun na kalokohan kapag ano. But anyway, the stage is yours. May hobby, Kitson naman.
Hi.
Say
Anong sasabihin?
something.
Oh, hi. Thank you. Kitson is here. And thank you for inviting me to be your guest. And what else I can say? Anything will do.
So just a short ano naman kung anong ginagawa mo dati at saka kung ano ang ginagawa mo ngayon.
Oh, yan na.
Okay, so let's Agsautan ti Ilocano tapnang kamarigatan. Oh. so we know naman na ano na this business if you're because I'm working as a full time and I'm having this as a side hustle, the digital online business. So mainly yung isang dahilan na tumingin ako ng isang side hustle or passive income is to have fun, to have joy, o 'di ba? At saka less stress. So yun yung lagi naming inaano diyan sa aming pinopromote sa aming business na to. So, yeah, let's just have fun, Kitson. So just a short introduction about yourself. O, di ba? Uragi Ilocano kan anya ngay lakay.
Uy, ikaw na lang mag-intro. All right, so ako I'm Kitson and one of the business partner, particularly with this business Jawson Kit, www.jawsonkit@yahoo.com, and I'm glad that I'm one of the partner of my best partner, and she invited me to be his number one partner, and I'm very glad that as we go on with this business, we work each other, or she worked more than me, although, but yeah, doon ako sa kung ano man ang support na may support ko sa kanya, then I'll just go yung kaya ko lang na gawin. So, yun. Throw in all, gumagana naman yung business kahit na papano. Yun.
Nung unang nadinig mo about sa business, when you learned or first heard about the business, what reaction you had, or did you believe it at first, or naging skeptical ka ba?
Huh? No, the first I heard that you want to join the business, it's like I said before, go ahead. But I know there's something within that business, because I for one, I did the business. So although there's a risk dun talaga, so if you're not going to explore it, then you will not see the difference, and it's still up to you to decide during the process if you will forego or not, because you can still feel as a business owner. You'll know how you will work, and you will know these how they call that, the reward, if you will go through more or not. So in this case, hindi ako skeptical on that first day, kasi yun nga, paano tayo makakapag-move on or makaka-explore kung hindi natin tutuloy? So we'll just go ahead. No, it happens. Yun lang. Hindi ako skeptical na naman.
No,
Skeptical sa mga bagay in the process. So that the business, nandun yung procedure or process, meron yung babagay na skeptical ako doon, pero the business itself is not, I'm not skeptical.
Oo, hindi ka pala
Just like
skep
this part of the business, oh, you want to be on the social media. But, see, yun na, yung gusto kong sabihin, hindi ko masabi because, I'm not used to it. But it's part of this business. We will grow for it. It's part of development, business side. Yes, yun lang.
nga ba? Talaga naman. So, yes. Actually actually isa nga siya sa taga-push sa'kin, eh, na laging pinapaalala niya na, "Ayan na, nagsimula ka, dapat tuloy-tuloy yan. Huwag yung nagsimula ka and you will not continue or you will not push through. Baka lang sa simula yan," na lagi niyang sinasabi. But I'm very, very thankful na andiyan siya na nagre-remind na tulad nung pagda-diet mo, pag-e-exercise, OMG, oo nga. But you know what, guys? It took me a year. It's already our first year anniversary 2 days ago in our business, and I'm very very happy. O, di ba? Naka-isang taon na. And usually I would stop in like 2, 3 months. O, di ba? So, but I'm very very thankful that he's there reminding me and reminding me kaya ako nagtutuloy ng nagtutuloy kasi pag minsan, yes, we have those days that we are procrastinating because we felt like we are overwhelmed, we feel like we are tired, we feel like kasi ito nga may full-time job ako and I'm working as a 12 hours, so you sometimes you will feel those days, but thank God that he's there reminding me na, oh, kailan ka kailan ka magla-live or, "Uy, anong oras ka magla-live?" Oh, 'di ba? So, he's there pushing. So, yun yung maganda. And, yes, regarding our topic for the week, because we've talked about how we deal with being a leader or being a mentor, and it points to the key point, which is the communication part, open communication. So, do you have something to share about open communication?
Open communication. You're always open. Okay. Communication, maybe when it comes to this business, is one thing that we would like to emphasize. Maybe is it's not how you communicate, but it's how the way you will communicate it in a way that our business partner or those future business partners will be joining us, is the way how the communication will be communicated. It's not on the way you want it, but it's maybe sometimes you need to consider the listener, how they want, how they will listen to it, and how you will say it. Yes. So I know there's a communication. Oh, communicate. But how did you communicate it?
Oh, tama nga naman kasi uh, kasi diyan din ako ano, eh, medyo, for us, we have, different, even if we are on the same province, from the northern part of the Philippines, and different tribes. And the intonation of yung kung paano magsalita each person sa amin, iba-iba. Sa kanila, yung pinanggalingan nila, they are very soft spoken, na kung saan lahat parang ano, parang sa Bisaya, sa Tagalog, parang gano'n din, may malambing na pananalita, may parang galit
Pa,
na magsalita.
papatayin kita. Ah, sorry.
Yung mga ganyan ba, parang mga lokohan na ganyan, na galit ka na nga pero yung ano 'to, yung very soft pa din na magsalita, parang naano mo na hindi galit or parang nagjo-joke ba, parang gano'n. And for us, we had a hard time of adjusting each other kasi kasi sa akin lagi kong sinasabi sa inyo na yeah, mataas talaga ang boses, ang tono ng boses ko at saka mataas at malakas. Kaya parang galit anytime. Pero yung sa kanya naman pag nagsasalita is ang lumanay na ang lambing. Kaya parang parang pag minsan feeling niya nagagalit ako, pag minsan naman feeling ko nagjo-joke siya. Yung yung mga ganong bagay ba. Kasi kahit nagalit siya, parang dinadala pa rin yung boses pa rin niya eh, nandun pa rin, parang monotone ba. So hindi mo alam kung galit or ano ba talaga ang gusto niya or nagjo-joke lang, 'di ba? So yeah, that's the importance of open communication that we're sharing. And sa open communication naman is yes, we've talked about the empathy, empathize, put yourself into the person that you're talking to, especially if you know the person. But if you don't know, syempre it takes time to know. Pero kapag you know the person, try to be with the person, try to put your shoes on that person so that you can relate and para huwag maging judgmental. Kasi usually tayo 'pag walang open communication nagiging judgmental eh, lalong-lalo na kung hindi open-minded yung person, 'di ba? So it really takes time to to have that rapport kumbaga. And aba, talaga naman. So yeah,
Ah,
very thankful
chat.
talaga ako. Pero ang tatanungin ko ito,
Wag
nung una ba
tinutuptan.
ha?
Ano?
Anya-nya.
Yes.
Anything you don't you want to add anything, Kitson?
No. What's your question?
No, dati mainayon mo about open communication.
No more. Just be mindful that we are dealing with not only on our on the locality that you belong. You need to. It is a worldwide, so therefore we should be mind ourselves the way how we communicate.
Oh, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba? Ang dami palang tinatago ng
Where
asawa.
we just like you're broadcasting live. That's
Oh,
it.
yes. Yes.
See?
Of course. So, yan, lumabas na naman yung very mindful, very demure, because we are very cutesy. But sometimes, kasi ako talagang straightforward akong tao at saka laging laging 'pag minsan hindi 'pag dire-diretso na akong nagsasalita, hindi ko namamalayan. Talagang nalalabas ko na rin yung talagang nasa loob ko. And sometimes my husband is the one, telling me na, "Uy, dahan-dahan ka naman." Ganyan, ganyan siya. Pero 'pag minsan natatawa na lang ako. Eh, wala talagang magawa 'pag ano, eh, 'pag, very open kang tao and very open-minded. So, sometimes, yes, lumalabas nga yun, oh, 'di ba? Lalo na yung pagkadaldal. Tama ba?
Yeah, kailangan nilang daldal sa business.
Of course naman, kasi paano mo mashi-share kung ano, pero natututunan naman 'yan, eh, kahit na kaya nga ako hindi ako mahilig, ano na 'to, yung magdaldal at saka mag-demo. Yung gusto ko lang is about, anything under the sun, but for specific topics na ano, hindi naman
That's,
kailangan, 'di ba?
that's why when we enter this business, di ako nag-hesitate na wag kasi andyan ka naman. Alam kong maboka ka. Then, tahimik lang ako. Then,
Yeah, parang gano'n kami
it's,
magkabaliktad mag oh.
so it's good that ako ang tahimik yung madaldal kasi if I go against with you, wala mapupuntahan. So, mas maganda communication sometimes. Listening is also involved. I mean, hindi pwede tayong magsalitang dalawa. So, two heads are better than one. So, hayaan niyang mas mabuka kang magsalita sa isa. So what I mean is that, yeah, magaling ka lang sa business, you can communicate it, you can say it, and then in a way that you will be the listener or the buyers will understand appropriately, and then that's what the customer sometimes looking on it.
Talaga naman,
O
very
ikaw
good
naman.
listener. Oh, very good listener talaga yung asawa ko. Tingnan niyo, ang daming kaya nga gusto ko na ano, na matagal ko na siyang kinukulit na ano, kasi tahimik lang talaga siya pero 'pag magsalita malaman. Kaya sabi kong ganyan sa kanya, eh, "Share ka naman kahit na ano." But anyway, yes talagang may mga taong ganyan kaya the good thing is, the best part is, may business tayong ganito na if you're not outspoken person, if you don't like, talking na parang parang ginagawa namin, you can do it in this business actually. Because there are ways, may maraming paraan para gawin. This is just one of them. And for me, I'm just doing this Go Live. It's for three main reasons. It's for the personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit para masanay. Because later on, and I think that this one will help. I took this venture, I took this route because I know that it will help on my business, and I can see that I will be more comfortable, and I will grow more on this Go Live. That's why I did it. But there are ways, kaya wag kayong matakot na mag-join or mag-ano. Tulad ng asawa ko, he's working at the background yan. Hindi naman yun nagsasalita or ano, but he's trying to post on social media, o 'di ba? So there are ways, may mga paraan talaga para patakbuhin ang business, 'di ba? May dadagdag ka?
Yes, that's why sa mga post ko sa Facebook, nandun yung name ng business, www.jelsonKit.com. So, kung, kung siya is nagsasalita, hindi na ako maki-interfere sa pagsasalita niya. Doon na lang ako
Ganon!
sa background.
Ganon.
So that's the beauty of this business. It's not mandatory or required to be on live. It's just a part of this uh, activity. It's not mandatory, but you can do it online. Kaya nga digital business. You will do the business digitally, not mouth.
Siguro nagtataka kayo or mas daaw kayo no why magkasama ba 'to sa dalawang bahay? Bakit iba bakit nasa isang screen yung isa na magkasama po kami
Actually, nasa Starbucks ako.
Starbucks ka diyan. So anyway, magkasama po talaga kami sa bahay, but to bring anong tawag dun, hindi naman personality, kung ano talaga ang gusto niyang sabihin. Kasi 'pag minsan when he's around me parang parang feeling niya natatabunan siya ng aking aura daw, ng aking power. Kaya kaya sabi niya it's better to have another screen, so it's okay. So actually, he's in our garage and I'm here in one of the room.
I'm Starbucks.
so so yes, because here in the business, we just want to have fun, have joy, diba? And you can do this at home, having fun, having joy, and while doing your business, and less stress pa, diba? So like this one, like for us, the power of kaya nga the power of two. Pero kailangan maghiwalay ng ano, kasi 'pag minsan natatabunan ng aura nung isa. So
Hindi kayo
so
wala ka nang naka-prepare muna na upuan ng dalawa.
wag mo akong i-booking. Sabi ko kasi kasi this 90 days success challenge, wag mo akong i-booking. Actually,
Ganun ang business, dapat transparent yan.
yeah. This 90 days success challenge, actually, I'm not checking every day our topic. Kaya sabi ko ganyan, kaya nga siguro ako naging pasang-awa nung mga nung mga school days ko, eh. Kasi I just want to have fun. Yun lang talaga ako. Kaya nakikita niyo para akong bubbly or ano, or magulo or makulit 'pag minsan. Kasi ever since nung student ako, I don't, hindi ako nagre-review, hindi ako nagbabasa. I just go to school and have fun and then engage with people and then go home and then mag-e-enjoy na naman sa bahay, parang gano'n. Kaya siguro mga pasang-awa ang aking mga grade. Kasi same thing here in 90 Day Success Challenge. I don't check what's the topic for every day. I want to surprise myself. That's why I'll just check on the day itself kung ano yung mga topic and then, mag-isip na lang, maging creative ka na lang kung ano ang puwede mong gawin, kung ano ang puwede mong i-present. So, gano'n talaga yung sa business na 'to. That's why you're having fun at the same time doing your business and that's what we are doing. So, so kaya niya yun sinabi kanina kasi sabi niya
No, no,
today
it's
is,
fun.
ha?
Yeah, it's fun.
Today is, to have a guest, actually, guest speaker, and I'm not prepared. So sabi ko, ikaw na, kasi ikaw naman na ang business partner ko, kahit ngayon lang, sabi ko. Kasi hindi ako prepared, sabi ko. And I'm very, very thankful to my hubby na agree sa aking pakiusap. 'Di ba? Ano masasabi mo do'n, Kitson?
Well, thank you for your trust to be your guest.
Any advice to our, business partners?
Just go on live.
Ano pa?
Yun lang.
And to those who are aspiring to become a new business owners or to become a business partners, any advice? Kahit na konting ano lang, konting share mo
Oh,
lang.
ano ba? Oh,
Ilocanong nadta. Uy, met gam nga Ilocanom.
Ilocano.
Mm.
Wow. O, ikaw na muna.
Ako muna? Ikaw na,
Yes.
ah.
Ikaw na muna.
Oh, invite mo na sila Garud sa ating website.
Oh, okay, to all of you guys who want to join us with our business with Jawin Kids, www.jawsonkit.com. Just check it out. And with this business, if you want to know more, you can just go ahead. Just give us your email, then we'll just send. Right, we'll send it back, and you just check it on. And if you have any questions further for its more about, you can just email on the same on the web page, and we will give you the appropriate
Information.
answers you want to know. But this is a legit business. It is very fruitful, and of course, you need to do some effort. Na walang business na upuan mo lang yan. But the more you will work on it, of course, the more you will receive more blessing, like just like any other business. But I'll tell you guys, uh, this will business will not frustrate you because you're hitting three things. One is that will be your business. Two is you're investing with your health, and three is you're maximizing, and at the same time you're working on your future, how do you call that, stabilization of your lives, for your financial life, so something like that. So to all our future business partners, let's come join us, and we will not frustrate you. I'm here, she's here, and she will talk the way all the time, and I will just do it, the operational side. So yeah, it's very fun and enjoyable. It's just like, especially, yeah, you're a business owner, you can do what you want, and be on live. That's all.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes. So, yes. O, 'di ba? My husband already outlined it for you. So, parang 'yan ang share namin ngayon and for today. And we hope everyone has gained some insights for today. And yes, ulitin ko ulit, kindly check our website www.josonkit.com and just enter our name and your email, and you will receive from your email the information that you will need to know, the overview of our business. And if you're interested and planning to have a step two, just go ahead and do so, because this one will see your the blueprint or the black and white of the business. And na ano to, walang ano, walang commitment or anything. It's free for you to check. So and if you want to be successful and start to your business, proceed to step 3. So sa ano pa lang, sa step 2 dun mo na makikita kung are you in or out, or does this business fits for you, and you think that it will help you, then yes, you can proceed. So but if not, then you can, it's okay. Wala namang commitment to, you can retract anytime. And yes, aba, may bago akong naano sa aking asawa, tingnan nyo. All the while, I know, all the while, akala ko ano, skeptical siya kasi he's been so quiet, and he's been like, parang pinupush niya ako lagi na parang parang may pagka-nega ba. Pero thinking about it, he's pushing me to just to remind me to keep on going. Na feeling ko pala feeling ko pala pagiging skeptical niya yun, but no pala. So yes, to those who have skeptical minds or have skeptical husbands, try to do it slowly. Or kung talagang gusto niyo pero may hindrances na, like having a husband that is, or partner that is very skeptical, try to show it slowly. Or yun, yung parang kunwari wala kayong, ano 'to, yung parang pinapanidig niyo until they will hear those stories, the business. And may time din na ano 'yan, may time din na bibigay at matitingnan niya yung business. It's just like, being consistent on what you are doing. Same thing what you will do with the skeptical one, 'di ba? So that's why, to all my business partners, just keep on going on what you are doing, because there will come a time that they will check it, even if they're not interested right now. They were just passing or just scrolling your videos, your messages, and everything. Just keep on doing, because there will come a time that they will see it. Darating at darating din yan. So right now they think that they might need it, but later on, 'di ba? 'Di ba aking asawa,
Yes,
ah,
ma'am.
sa sa tingin natin nung una parang, parang parang this business is just parang nag-join lang tayo para lang sa business, but later on it really helped, 'di ba?
Yeah, so one thing more is that when we join the business, hindi tayo talo, panalo na agad. Pag join mo pa lang, panalo na agad.
Walang mawawala sa'yo.
Yeah, because, uh, as I've said, there are three things you're working in here. There are
Mhm.
three things. The benefits is the benefits of three. You're doing your business, you're investing with your health, and at the same time, while having this business, and you're working with your future financial stability. And that's what we are looking, especially like the on my age like me, and don't tayo pupunta lahat.
Yeah, and
Okay,
then
so especially that's why young guys or young people, if you, it's very much interesting if you will join this business earlier, and this is a progressive activity, and you soon you will get there, and that will help you a lot in the future.
yes, especially that
Yes.
life is unpredictable, 'di ba?
Yes, and
Ayan.
you did it. You made a good decision, and I just back up it up. Go ahead.
Kaya nga diyan lumalabas yung ano, eh, yung word na wag lang sana sana all, dapat tara all, 'di ba?
Yes. Go. Let's go.
Kasi kayang-kaya naman nila, 'di ba?
Yep.
Ikaw nga kaya mo, eh.
Yes. Kaya ko kahit na hindi ako nagsasalita pa.
Oh, 'di ba?
There are many ways to do it. You
Mhm.
can, those who have Tandulat, you can align your skills, knowledge, skills, and abilities in this business, and the business itself will going to support the existing knowledge or skills that you have to go with this business. And I can see that a lot of, especially the, like for example, those nurse by profession, and they are doing it
Yes.
nicely and correctly. And it's like sa ganun din yung sinabi ng mga ka-business partner ng mga yung mga skeptical husband, sila Art, si Kuya Ken, ano, hindi sila skeptical husband. Shout out pala sa inyo dalawa.
Okay. Yan nga, kaya nga we are very, very lucky wives kasi, wala kaming mga skeptical husbands and they are very, very supportive, oh, 'di ba? So, yes, may sasabihin ka pa before I'll gonna end?
Oh, no more, no more. The business will,
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for joining me on my live today and, aba lalo akong nai-inlove sa'yo, ay Diyos ko. So,
dapat lang kasi gumagana yung business. Dapat,
oo nga, eh. Yeah, it's really working, guys. Check it out. Nung una is, so we just want, to have something to, to at least ise-settle na business before retirement. At least 'pag retired na, may gagawin. May pagbibisihan ka. But something happened along the way na we didn't expect, and that is why I keep on saying na life is inevitable, life is unpredictable. So why not do something today? At least you work it out in like 1 to 2 years, and then 1 to 3 years, and then you will enjoy the rest of your lives, diba? Because life is short. We really don't know, and unpredictable nga na hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari mamaya or anong mangyayari bukas at saka yun lang na-realize lang namin after naming nag-join ng business. But before that, we're just thinking na sa side hustle lang na trying to, settle it before retirement, and then have something to do before retirement and want to retire early, di ba? But we didn't really expect that, something happened along the way na yung business yung nagpa-realize sa amin. So that is why we are sharing here our stories to inspire others so that this might be an opportunity to them too, and this might be a hope to them to check the business. So yan lang po ngayon, and thank you so much for joining me for today's live, aking asawa. And if you are ready to discover something exciting and take the next step with us, don't hesitate to register your name and your email address at www.josonkit.com, and let's embrace this journey together, 'di ba? And yun nga, when you're I'm still having this full-time job, and this business is my side hustle, or passive income. Why not look, if you're still working as a full-time, why not look something that is, that is light, that is bubbly, and that is inspiring, and at the same time with a purpose, di ba? So that's why this business gave this one to us. We're having fun, we're having joy, and less stress na na-stress na kami sa work. At least meron 'to na parang tinitingnan namin na we're having fun with, o 'di ba? So yun yung talagang nagustuhan namin sa business na ito, and at least kumikita ka pa sa passive, sa supplemental income. So kaya ito yung nagustuhan namin na business. So kung you're interested and see also that while you're off and you want to have fun, have joy with us, join us, 'di ba? Enter your name and your email. Don't hesitate. So because everything is in there on the other fence and you will see the magic. 'Di ba? So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you so much
Let's
for joining us in our live for today. And yes, aba, second time ang aking husband na nagpakita ngayon and I'm
let's just
very, very
continue the journey of this business and yeah, come
yes,
join us,
yes,
and have coffee
yes,
for it.
yes. I, yes, let's have coffee. Thank you so much and hope to see you guys tomorrow. And 90 days pa to. Ay, 90 days, 70, 69 days na. Oh my gosh, 20 days na lang at patapos na pero ito pa lang ang simula. Thank you guys for watching. But before we're gonna go, we'll just acknowledge those who came to our live for today. Aba, si Jeans. Hello, hello, watching from Oakley. 69, hehehe. Oo nga, 69, 6 lang yung nakalagay kanina kaya ako nabigla. Tapos sabi niya dito, "Woohoo! Sino ang guest mo?" Oh, 'di ba? Did we surprise you? So,
Oh, nandiyan si
oh,
ano.
una ako, aba, una pala si Zap. Una si Zap or si
Hmm.
Cheers. And I am excited. I know, eh, din na-excite kayo.
Oy,
Thank
nandiyan sila President and Vice President. Shout out po sa inyong dalawa. Because of you, you made it.
So, ha, 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 sabi ni ano, aba, wow, Vice, oh, practice na yan, LOL, oo nga, practice na 'to. Up, up.
Ah, ah,
Ito, the funny thing is we are in digital age and there are words that we don't understand when we are on sa nagbabasa ng mga messages ng mga comments. Tapos ang daming nag-a-up. Ano daw yung app? Tanong kami ng tanong. O kami ni si shout out kina Gina and Zap. We are engaged into social media but we don't know what app means. Tapos itong quiet na napaka-quiet na asawa ko, alam niya. Thumbs up daw pala. Oh my gosh. So yes, so we are learning, 'di ba? Nakakatuwa. So if you have more if you want more fun, more joy, come on, join us, 'di ba? Si Andeng parang LDR, so sweet. Shout out kay Sis Andeng. And
may five star ka na.
oh, go kids daw. And then go idol kanyang data ko na nani.
Yeah,
Go
two heads
go
are better than one. Sabi nga kanina, two heads are better than one. So,
yes.
kahit pa
Thank
paano,
you.
if one is talking, the other one is need to listen. So, para mas magandang may pupuntahan.
Uh,
Yes.
so yes, this is Coach May. I love the topic. Way to go, Lian naman. Oh, thank you so much, sis Coach. Thank you, thank you. I know. Oh my gosh, I love your your it's a pro talaga yung niyo, yung segment ninyo, sis Coach. Watching and I watched it yesterday kahit na nasa work. So watching from Brentwood, 'di ba? Si Andeng. Oh yes, I
Bless
didn't
the
make a
Lord.
mistake. Vote for VP Kids. So, yes, ganyan ang mga
English
tao
lang ah.
natin, reminding us to keep going, yes. 'Di ba? The power. And I agree,
Yes.
Kuya Kids, 100%. Aba, may bago ka ng mga fans, mga fans mo, oh. Words of wisdom.
Wala, okay, wala namang star.
Tama lang ang timpla, parang kayong kape. I know. 'Di ba, one is talkative, one is very quiet. Magkabaliktad ka mag-ano talaga kami, we're very much opposite. That's why. Kaya 'pag minsan na ano nga, yung aura ng isa is na ano ng isa kaya mas magandang ganito pala ano.
Pagtabihin mo yung dalawang positive,
Sasabog na.
sasabog na.
Sabi ni Jeans, tama ang galing ni Kids. And dun ako sa habang buhay. Oh, 'di ba? Yes, this business is habang buhay talaga. agree to Vice. Alam ko na kung ano yung sinabi niya habang buhay. Huwag mong ipaalala, Kenneth. Agree to Vice. Good listener, important. Aba, si... Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Auntie Uwit is watching. Hello, Auntie Uwit.
Hi
And
guys.
si LOL, yes. Ang dami nilang ano, nasobrahan na siguro ng Auntie Baboy. Iso nga nagdaldal ko. Well,
Han,
LOL.
baka mahilig sa ano.
Mahilig sa...
Ganun talaga. Ganun siya na-design ng Panginoon kaya tangkilikin natin. Dalawang mo. You need to... Yeah. Thank you for watching guys. That's it what we... Yan ang may share ko.
Oh, di ba? So, LOL, sabi ni Zap, dami mong ano? Bakit nagwawala yata yung tatlo dito, ang trio? Ang galing kids. I love yung 3 things na benefits ng business. Di ba?
Yes. 3 benefits. That's it. That's what I like this business. So, yun nga.
Yeah,
Hindi
wala
ako
ka talagang it's a this is what I'm telling na it's a one-time investment. Kaya parang hindi ka manghihinayang kasi you are investing one time and then you are taking care of your health and at the same time taking care of your wealth, 'di ba? Kumikita ka. So, saan ka pa, 'di ba? It's just like having a franchise. So, kung nag-iisip kayo ng franchise, ang mahal-mahal ng magkaroon ng franchise ngayon, 'di ba? Yung ano nga, yung gas station na I checked it out, that was 2019 is 1M. Ngayon na naging 3M, 3 million pesos. So, so mahal. Ang dami mo pang gagastusin aside from that. He is a great leader siya. He is a good listener. Not only hearing Ate Chow, he listened well. Oh! Yes, I know. So, ganyan talaga siya.
not only listening, just shut up my mouth.
Nanonood ang Art, tuwang-tuwa sa'yo, kids. I know. Yes, thank you, Art. Tuwa. Uy, na-inspire talaga siya sa inyo, especially with Sir Roger, Ken, nung nag-start din, nung sumunod na si Ken na mag-live, na sumama kay Zap. That is our power duo in our team, and pinapanood ni Kitson, and then it was like kasi there are ways naman, depende naman kasi talaga kung saan mo gagamitin ang social media. If you will, because some they use it for entertainment, some they use it for fun, some they use it for news, 'di ba? Yung sa atin naman is we're inspiring and sharing our journey. So parang doon siya na ano, na nakita na, okay. So parang nakita ko na nag-i-smile siya. Ayaw pa kasi akong samahan, eh. But anyway, yes, respect naman, may respect the boundaries kumbaga, 'di ba? So,
Yes.
aba,
Yeah.
love is
That's
in the air. Ang sweet, makutuno dito ikaw na. So happy sister here. I know. Wishing for us too. Yes, Sis Melanie, just it's okay to take your time, but don't wait too long. Just like for me, this is one of my regrets actually, to come out from my comfort zone kasi wala kang makikita or wala kang makikitang success or progress sa sarili mo kung you will not come out from your comfort zone. So, yes, nandito lang kami to support you, Sis Mel. And then, Zapra, ba, you made our day. Go live pa more, Vice. Oh, ba, may nagpo-push sa'yo.
kaya ko na
Garak-gak
gusto
pa.
kong makikita yung mga president and vice president.
Melanie Ventura, he will see watch mastermind habang nasa background siya. O, di ba? Yes. That is one way. Because for me, yung husband ko, hindi naman yan, binuking ko eh. Hindi naman yan ano eh. Hindi naman yan nakikinig sa dati. Parang he's not interested. na alam niya na maganda yung business but he's not interested to join or jump in. But hearing those masterminds, nung nagma-mastermind ako na kasi dati yung desktop ko nasa kwarto namin katabi nung ano. So pagtulog siya, when he's recovering, lagi siyang tulog, eh andun ako nakabantay sa kanya. Habang nakabantay ako, nanonood ako ng mastermind. And napapakinggan niya yun, nadidinig niya yun. So parang doon niya na ano na, ganito pala yung business na to, ganyan, ganyan. Doon niya natutunan. Tapos yung pag-go live, ginagawa kong go live. So anywhere I'm doing go live, kitchen, habang nagluluto siya, nandun siya, habang kung anong ginagawa ko, nandun siya, nadidinig niya. And I can see na he's smiling and he's trying to open up his mind. Tapos ngayon, slowly na lumabas siya. Hindi naman talaga yun lalabas eh. I'm not expecting really from him that he will show on live. But look at him. Ah!
Look at me. Look at me now.
Good. 'Di ba? So human lang sana all, dapat tara all. Live pa more and live pa more. Aba, dapat tara all and live pa more. Aba, wag. Aba si Charis, Cha, I'm telling you. Agasam ni Kitson. O kitam ni Kitson. Abakdakan niyo.
Tagitam. Next election, I will be that.
Ayan. So, yes. So, I just want to share this phrase to you guys. Hulaan nyo. Name that words. Ayokong name that words. Ayokong sabihin kung ano kasi mabibigyan kayo ng idea kung ano ba, kung saan nanggaling to. So, ain't no use in complaining when you've got a job to do. Spent my evenings down at the drive-in, and that's when I met you. Yeah. So, standing on your mama's porch, you told me that you'd wait forever. And when you held my hand, I knew that it was now or never. Those were the best days of my life. So, anong kanta yun? So, name that tune. Sige, repeat. So, no, I'm just sharing this song na Summer of 69 kasi today is our 69 days. And the song goes like this: standing on your mama's porch. Wag na nga kasi parang ako ang nawala. So back in the summer of 69. So anyway, the summer is ending right now and the fall. So fall na pala ngayon, hindi ko namalayan. So kaya halos lahat nagkaka-allergy at nagkakaroon ng mga sinusitis, allergies. So hopefully na everyone is getting better, especially for Sis Maricel who's not feeling good right now. So feel better, sis, and then take care of yourself, guys, because today is the allergy season. So take care, ingat lagi, and yes, take your medications and be healthy. Take your vitamins, and that's it for now. Thank you so much and have a good day. Humaba na naman tayo ngayon. And thank you kasi may magla-live pa. Bye-bye na?
Yes, thank you for listening and joining our lives, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, thank you.
www.josonkip.com. God bless you all.
Yes.
See you on the next time.
Thank you so much, guys. Have a good day and have a blessed Saturday. Enjoy the weekend ahead. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.